What is happening, Full Speed SA? Welcome back to another video. Guys, thought I'd take some time and just apologize for not uploading for quite some time now, but I'll be back, and I am back rather, and hopefully I'm back to stay for at least a little while. No, really guys, I really want to take it more serious, take YouTube more serious, start posting a lot more often, and it's hard to say the least, but I'm gonna give it a try. So here's some footage on the Lumina. I've been doing some work on the car. This is an outro to an intro type thing. Intro to an outro, whatever. I've already taken the car, done what I've had to do on the car, and this is the outro now. No, this is the intro to the outro. You know what I mean. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get to the action.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Okay guys, so here we are in the front of the car, and we're about to replace the control arms. But I want to mention, since I was here in the front doing the control arms, I figured let's sort out the power steering leak. I took a closer look at the power steering leak, and now it started leaking on the other side as well through the boot. So, you know, according to YouTube, when this happens, basically your steering rack needs to be replaced, or you need to rebuild it. So I've chosen to rebuild it for the sake of content. And yeah, I've already taken off the rack end and tie rod end on the other side, and loosened the steering rack bolt that bolted to the body or to the chassis. So now I'm going to do the same on this side, and hopefully I'll be able to replace the seals and bearings inside of my steering rack. I don't know what it looks like inside, but we'll have a look and see in a few minutes. So stick around. I'll get the steering rack out, and I'll show you guys how to do it, or rather I will show you guys once I have it out. All I need to do now is loosen this bolt of the tie rod end, and then you have a bolt right over there. Ooh, let's see, right over there for the steering rack to the chassis. And then there's some pipes obviously that come from the power steering pump that's connected over there. There's also two pipes that I need to loosen on the other side. Let's get to it. Look at all that oil that I've been wasting. Glad that it kept everything sealed, or rather lubricated. But yeah, it's definitely been costing me some moolah. So, and the tie rod is loose, rack end. Nice and tight in there, but it should be out in a sec. Please bear with me. Right, so there we have my steering rack removed. With a little bit of wiggling and jiggling, loosening those pipes. There's about 4 pipes on the driver's side that have to be loosened. Actually, I think it's only 2, because the other 2, I think here's one. This one comes completely off with the thingy, with the steering rack, and this one I obviously this one as well stays on. So I loosened it, didn't have to loosen it to get the steering rack off. But yeah, so there you have it, guys. Lumina SS steering rack removed, and now we're gonna see if we can open it up, open her up, and see what's happening and crack-a-lacking on the inside. Hopefully all the seals can be sourced locally and we can get this thing sorted. Stick around to see the final product. So it's the next day, early in the morning, sun is up, still busy with this steering rack. So I was wondering how I was gonna get this plastic bush out the side here, and YouTube helped me out again. So it turns out there's this little ring that locks this bush or seal in place, and you just kind of clip it into that hole over there, and you spin it in, spin it in, spin it in until it locks it into place. And to get it out, you spin the bush until this edge reveals itself, and then you lift it up and you spin it this way until it comes out. Yeah, so that's how I got that out. Obviously very important, don't lose that. So now I'm gonna try and get the bush out. It should be easy. I'm gonna try and turn it out, otherwise I'll just knock the steering out with the bush, the steering rod rack, what do you call it? Yeah, your steering shaft. So let's give it a try. Right, there you have it, guys. Thank you for joining me. Catch me in the next video where I will be showing you how to replace the control arm on your Lumina SS. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the flip side.